Hi, LogDog321 here for VacBin.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Bissell CleanView OnePass. Now this is model number 9595 or Target Edition 1816. So currently in front of me I have the Target Edition, which once again is model number 1816. However, you can find it at many other stores under the model number 9595. The only difference is the Target model has red here instead of purple. But with that, let's take a look and do an unboxing and first look. So I'm going to take the knife here, cut the tape at the top, and other side, and across the top, and I am into the box. So we're going to take a look at the top. First thing you see is the carton contents. Yep, you can see that. So it says it comes with a vacuum base, handle, hose, crevice tool, extension wand, upper cord wrap, hose wand clip, turbo brush, 2 screws, and a dusting brush. In addition, the other side gives you the phone number for Bissell tech support, and they say that if you have any problems, please don't return to the store. Instead, give them a call. First, here on top of the box, we have the user guide and warranty card. We're going to set that aside for now. Up next, we have dusting brush, turbo brush. Yep, you can see that. The hose clip, cord clip, a piece of cardboard here. Now we're going to put all this stuff to the side, and we have the handle. And the handle has the screws taped to it. We have a hose. An extension wand here, and a crevice tool. They fit together. And then, if I don't trip over the stuff I pulled out of the box, we've got the machine itself. And that is it for the box. Let's take off the 2 pieces of cardboard on the side, the front wrap, and here we go. So we put the box off to the side now, and let's put this thing together. Give me one moment to adjust the camera. And there we go. That should be good. So, first of all, we're going to need to attach the handle. To do that, you take the screws off of the handle, because you'll need those to attach the handle. And if I could find there it is, edge of the tape. We're going to put this right on top. It clicks in, and I'm going to take a guess. Yep, there are screw holes in the back, and you're going to screw those in. I'll put in the screws in just a moment, but let's get the rest. Or you know what? Let's double check if I have a screwdriver right here. I believe I do. Yes, I do. The unboxing knife comes in handy once again. So, there are 2 screw holes located right here underneath right underneath where the handle attaches. And to put the handle in, you're just going to insert the screw and use your screwdriver, just a regular Phillips screwdriver, to get it securely in place. And then you do the same for the other side. And it takes a little bit to get these in, but you want to make sure they're secure. Otherwise, you could be vacuuming and the handle could come off, which is not very good. Okay, that's all in nice and securely. So let's take a look at what we have next. Up next is going to be the hose. And for that, you're going to attach the side without the, so there are two sides to the hose. There's the side with the long plastic piece and the side with the short plastic piece. You're going to attach the side with the short plastic piece right here to where it enters the bin. So you're going to put it in and twist, and that is nice and secure. Wrap the hose along, looks to be the top, yep, and push the long plastic piece right there into the bottom. Next up, the extension wand and crevice tool, that's what it's called. That, let's see, where would that go? That looks like it has to be connected here. So we need to attach the wand holder. To do that, we place the wand holder into the little grooves and we turn so that the arrow, oh, nope, my bad. We make sure the arrow lines up, the white arrow on the wand holder and the black arrow on the body of the vacuum line up, and we twist and they're locked in. After that, that's attached. The turbo brush looks like it will go up here if previous Bissell vacuums are designed the same way. And where are they putting the, that's where the dusting brush goes. Alright, all that we have left is the top of the cord holder, and that goes right here above the wand holder, or above the wand after it's placed in the wand holder. So, looks like it just clips right in. So we're going to push that in and screw it down until we should, there we go, and it clicks in. Just like that. Now the bottom one's also fixed, and this one turns a little bit. So, let's wind up the cord. Well, actually, we're going to be doing a first look, so we're not going to be winding up the cord. Instead, I'm going to be undoing the twist tie on the cord, plugging it in, and taking a look at how the machine performs. Let's move the stuff out of the way. Let's move the packaging out of the way. Plug it in, and get going. First thing to note is that the switch for the vacuum is on the side. It's the red switch. So with that, let's adjust to my low pile carpet. Oh, it's already pre-adjusted for me. And let's see how the OnePass technology works on this relatively clean carpet, but there's still some dirt to pick up. So that was just a tiny little bit of carpet, but already I can see there's some dirt in the bin. Let's take a look. That looks like it got a little clump of hair right there. I can really see there's a lot of dirt down here in the window to see into the brush roll. That looks much dirtier than it should be. Seems like a lot of the dirt that it picked up sticks to the window, but I'm going to hold off on judgment until I put it through the full review track, and then I make the review video soon. So with that, I've been LogDog321 here for VacBin.com, and this has been the Bissell 9595 or 1618. Either way, it's the CleanView OnePass vacuum. Thank you for watching very much, and for the full review, please go to vacbin.com or check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/vacbin. Thanks for watching. Bye.